Welcome back to my eating channel.
Yeah, January's been such a busy month that we've been gone for so long, but we're back.
Yeah, eating Culvers.
Yeah. So, what are you having today?
We're having French fries and 2 burgers.
Yeah. And let's check out. Okay, this is my burger.
And that's mine.
So, this is my burger. And I have tomato, cheese, onion, lettuce, and mayonnaise. What do you have in your burger?
I have lettuce and a burger and barbecue sauce.
And what about cheese?
Yeah, I had cheese.
Okay. You ready to dig in?
Yes, let's dig in.
Okay. Mmm. Mine's yummy. And I like the onion and lettuce.
What?
And tomato.
A French fry almost choked me.
You like the fries more? Is that why you're starting with the fries?
Yeah.
Let me see. Is it delicious?
Yeah.
That is delicious.
Have you imagined being 1 million?
Having $1 million?
No, having one. Have you imagined you are 1 million?
What do you mean?
You're 1 million years old.
Oh no, I would be a skeleton then. Because people don't live that long. These fries are so crispy and fresh.
Do you know Dry Bowser?
Mm-mm.
Dry Bowser is a skeleton.
He's a skeleton Bowser?
Yeah.
I didn't know they call him that. Why do they call him that?
'Cause it's dry.
Because he's dry?
Yeah.
And what about, what's a wet Bowser then?
Blue Bowser.
A regular Bowser?
Yeah.
Hey, you have all those red things on your arm. What is those red things?
Oh, they're kisses.
They're kisses?
Stamps. They're stamps.
They're stamps?
Yeah.
Who did that?
Auntie and Mommy.
They stamped you?
Yeah, I can't see the barbecue sauce.
Okay. Let's put your burger right here. Now you can see it. We can put it up here. It'll be closer to us. That is delicious. You know what else is delicious?
Drinks.
Yeah, fruit punch. Man, it seems like they have the best fruit punch. Better than McDonald's, better than Burger King. I think they have the same fruit punch as Taco Bell. That's what it tastes like, and it tastes really good. Back to my burger. I have pickles in mine. So it makes it salty and sour.
Pickles just make my tongue super sour.
It makes it super sour.
Mm-hmm.
I got mustard too. Wow.
I think that's secret sauce.
Secret sauce. Our secret sauce is...
No, that's cheese.
What?
Yeah, it's cheese and it's mustard.
I'm
They really gave me everything.
not sure if they put mustard in the hamburger. They put mustard on a
Hot dog. Yeah.
They don't put mustard in hamburgers. They just put mustard in hot dogs. They only put ketchup in hamburgers.
Yeah, that's what I thought too. But they put mustard in this one.
That is definitely not mustard.
Does it taste like a Whopper? It tastes kind of like a Whopper, right?
Mm-hmm.
We definitely need more ketchup. Does yours? So yours does taste like a Whopper?
Mm-hmm.
That drink is wonderful. It's delicious. So were you hungry? Going to school all day and after school, are you hungry?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. What did you learn today?
About making machines. About time machines.
Oh, making time machines? What about time machines? I never made a time machine before. So what did you do with the time machine?
It's in my computer.
That was a long one.
Yeah.
So, which fries do you like better? McDonald's, Burger King, Culver's,
I like
or
all
Chick-fil-A?
I like all of them.
You like all of them? You just like potato?
Well, not real potato, only French fries.
Wow.
Hey, can I have some napkins?
Mm-hmm. We definitely need more ketchup. We're almost out. Mm. Hey, so do you like nuggets now or do you like hamburgers?
Nuggets and hamburgers.
Can you say that again?
Nuggets and hamburgers.
You like both of them? Yeah, they're both tasty. So what is nuggets made from? What kind of meat do you think they put in nuggets?
Chicken.
Chicken? What kind of meat do they put in hamburgers?
Cow.
Oh, you got it. Well, you're smart. Do they put pigs in burgers?
Sometimes.
It all depends on who wants to eat it, right?
Mm-hmm.
You know what I tried before?
What?
I tried an alligator hamburger before. Do you know what alligator hamburger tastes like? It tastes like...
Raw fish?
Kinda, yeah. It tastes like a fish and a chicken burger. It was kind of weird.
One french fry left.
Okay, you could have it. It's a big one.
You're full?
Yeah, I'm full.
Which is your taste of?
I had fruit punch. It's the same thing.
The same thing?
Mm-hmm. You must be hungry. You're eating so fast. Oh yeah. So, what do you plan to do after this?
Play video game?
Play video games? Alright, let's finish eating so we can play video games. Okay guys, thank you for watching and don't forget to what?
Like and subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell and don't forget.
And we'll see you next time. Bye!